My name is Carrie Rose, and I want to invite you to my upcoming 6-week workshop called Yes, Love Heals. Now, why would I want to invite you to this? Because if you're looking for more clarity, energy, joy, and health in your life, then this workshop is for you. The time is right. There's 3 different things that we teach in this workshop, and the first one is all about love. And it's how to love yourself, to listen, observe, validate, and encourage. The next step in the workshop is awareness. Once you know how to love yourself, you have more awareness in your body and how it's reacting to your internal and external environments. The third step, which is the magical step in the workshop, is action. I don't just leave you with all this information and knowledge about yourself. I give you action steps that you can implement immediately so that you can feel these changes in your life. So if you've been feeling sluggish, if you've been having health issues that you just don't understand where they're coming from, if you've been living with belief patterns that are holding you back, now is the time to sign up for the next 6-week workshop. It is going to be so pivotal for you in this lifetime. It is going to create so much love and clarity and joy for you. There's never been a better time for you to focus on you. Included in the workshop, for the very nominal fee of $300, is 6 weeks with me in a small group. 6 to 8 people is the maximum amount of people that I will work with. You will have a one-on-one session with me on top of that 6-week program of 1 hour per week. And you're getting your very own journal workbook for you to help guide you through the 6-week process so that you can get the most out of this next 6 weeks as possible. There are testimonials coming in every single day from the people that have experienced this already. And I don't want you to miss out on this because this is a life-changing opportunity. And I want to share this with you. You see, I know what it feels like. I've been there. I've been in the depths of despair. I've been in the place where I feel like I'm hanging onto the cliff and my fingernails are bending backwards and I just can't do it anymore. I've found myself lying on the floor hyperventilating and not knowing how I'm going to fix this problem that I have in my life. But I did. I was able to pull myself up. I was able to learn the skills through both my education of being a healthcare practitioner for over 25 years and going and getting the help that I needed. And that's what I've used to create this course for you. So I'm not just coming from a place of an educator, I'm coming from a place of somebody who understands and knows what you're going through. And I'm telling you right now, it's never too late to feel great. Don't give up. Join the workshop today.